is an amazing project. It will be one of the biggest mosques, not only in London, but in England, actually, to be honest with you, in Europe. And they have facilities, different facilities. You will be amazed as the facilities that they are planning to do. Even they will have a gym downstairs, and it will even serve brothers and sisters, mashallah. They will have funeral services, body washing. They will have also preschool facilities here. They have one floor for the brothers and another almost complete floor for the sisters. For mothers and toddlers, they have a separate space. Really very, very nice facilities. 9 million projects, mashallah. They have almost paid all of it. Still 2 million to be paid. Really, brothers, wallahi, this will be a great opportunity for you to participate in this project. Donate whatever you can donate. It is an example for other masajid to do. And by the way, brothers and sisters, mashallah, the brothers who are in charge, the committee, they are very open-minded people. I know them, mashallah, tabarakallah. They are not very strict in terms of their madhab or their way. They want this to be a social hub, this masjid. And this is what we want our masajid to be, social hubs. Not just a place you pray, close the masjid, or tell children off. No. This, inshallah, will be one of those examples that we want our masajid to be with. May Allah Jalla wa Ala grant them tawfiq, make dua for them, support them, come and visit the mosque. This will be a really very empowering project to be involved in and to see it and to visit it. May Allah Jalla wa Ala reward everyone who was involved in this project, and may Allah Jalla wa Ala reward the committee who are working really very hard. May Allah Jalla wa Ala reward you all, brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.